Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Creepypasta. This time it's gonna be Masky. And here's my pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a very cool looking character. We're gonna start out by drawing the eyes first, and it's gonna be a little bit larger. So just start right in the middle of the face right here. I'm gonna draw the upper eyelid, so we'll curve up. So same thing on the other side. Alright, so once you have these 2 lines right here, we're gonna draw the lower lid. So we just come down, and then just kind of come across. So it's almost like a leaf shape. Okay, so flat on the bottom, and then just round this out. Alright, and then from here we're gonna draw his nose, so just come down in the middle, just keep it simple, just one little mark. And then now for his lip, I'm gonna give a slight slant there, and then for the lower lip, just come right underneath and draw a shorter line. Alright, so now we're going to draw in the shape of the face, and then we'll draw in this awesome looking hair. So we're going to start on the side right here, right next to the eyes. Come down. Just kind of taper in right around to the mouth area. And then once you're to this point, we're going to make it a little bit sharper. So it's very much like an anime face. Right, so that's the shape of the face, and now let's start drawing the hair on the top of the head. So right in over this eye right here, right in the middle, just come up. I'm going to draw one big strand first. Just come down toward this eye, and then just kind of go back up. So it's gonna be one big strand, and then let's just finish this part right here. Just kind of round it out and just connect that first. Okay, so now we're gonna draw a couple more strands right here. Another strand right over this eye. And now we're gonna draw one bigger one, and this one's gonna go all the way out. So right over the eye and just go out. And then just kind of come back in. Okay, so now we can draw in the rest of the head. So we're gonna come up right here. We'll just go up. So this is gonna be where the hair is gonna be parting. Let's start on this side. We'll just come down, just wrap it around, close it off. And then now on this side, we're gonna come all the way to almost right here. So past the side of the face right here. So we'll go up. Just one big curve, and then you can add in a couple of these smaller strands on the back if you like. Okay, and then right here, maybe a couple of lines. Just to show the flow of the hair. Okay, so let's finish this out by drawing the ear. So right next to the eye right here, so this one's easy. Let's draw a little curve. And then lastly for his eyebrow, let's come up here, just one line across. And then this one's gonna be behind the strand, so just come up here, just draw a line in whatever space you have, just go across. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So for his neck right here, this is gonna be his shirt collar or jacket collar. So we'll just draw two lines, coming down, and then just round out the bottom. And I'm just gonna add in some lines right here. And then now for his shoulders, just on the side right here, we'll just come out straight. Nice and wide, and then let's pinch it all the way in. This is gonna be his waist, and then right on the bottom here, I'm just gonna add a little flare for his jacket, and then we'll round it out, just close it off. And then on the bottom right here, just one little section, and let's add in some lines as well. Alright, and we'll just go ahead and finish up the inside right here. So we're gonna draw in the zipper. So just two lines right in the middle. And then for the pockets, just draw two lines slanting down. Okay, so now let's draw in the arms. So his armpit's gonna be right around here. We'll start on the outside here. Just come down straight, back to the armpit. This is gonna be his elbow. We'll continue down. We'll flare this out. Again, this is gonna be the cuff on the on this little jacket here, and then we'll close it off. Add one section, and then same thing, we're gonna add these little lines. Okay, so let's draw on the other side, and we'll draw on the his hand and his fist. So I'm gonna come up here, come down, so right around here. Okay, so here's his elbow, and again we gotta draw in same little flare, just open it wider here, and then just kind of pinch it back in, and then same detail here. Okay, and then for his fist, we'll keep it simple. Just come down, one little hook. That's gonna be his thumb right there, and then here's the back of the fist. And then for the other fingers, we'll just come down and then just tuck it up. Okay, same thing here. One little hook for the thumb. Here's the back of the hand or the fist. And then one little angle. Alright, so let's continue down, and his leg's gonna be kind of skinny as well. Okay, so just come down the middle right here, add one little line. And let's go ahead and come back up here to the side. Just come down. This is gonna be going down all the way to his knees. Come back to the inside here. We'll pinch it in. So his knees a little bit skinnier here. And then for the lower leg, it's really simple. We'll come down, flare out just slightly, and then pinch it back in, and then close it off. Okay, same thing here. Just flare out, pinch it back in, and then just close it off with, give it a little bit of a round curve right there. Alright, and then for his shoes, just come down in the center right here. Just come down, and then on the outside, we'll slant this out, and then we'll just close it off. Okay, so on the inside, almost straight down, and then this one's just gonna slant out, and then we'll close it off. And that is it for this Masky. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.